You already know what you should be doing. You've known for a while the gym, the diet, the morning routine, the project you keep putting off. You're not short on knowledge. You're not short on intention, so why does showing up feel this hard? Most people think discipline is about willpower, about gritting your teeth, ignoring how you feel, and forcing yourself through the resistance. So they try harder. They make stricter rules. They wake up earlier. They cut out everything enjoyable. They run on pressure and guilt. And for a few days it works, until it doesn't. Until life gets in the way, or they're tired, or one bad day breaks the whole streak. Then comes the guilt, the self-criticism, the telling yourself you're lazy, you're weak, you don't have what it takes. But here's what nobody tells you: the problem was never you. The problem was the model of discipline you were following. Real discipline isn't force. It's design. It is not about becoming a machine, it's about removing the friction between you and the action you want to take. Think of it this way. Willpower is a resource, it depletes. Every decision you make, every temptation you resist, every moment of stress, it drains the tank. Relying on willpower alone is like trying to run a marathon on an empty battery. It's not a character flaw when you run out. It's just physics. The paradox is this: the less you rely on motivation and willpower, the more consistent you become. Because consistency isn't built on feeling ready, it's built on making it easy to start. So how do you actually build this? Here are 3 steps that work. Step 1: shrink the start. The hardest part of any habit is beginning. So make beginning almost impossible to avoid. Don't aim for an hour at the gym. Aim to put your shoes on. Don't aim to write a chapter, aim to open the document. The action follows the start, almost every time. Step 2: design your environment. Your surroundings are constantly sending you signals. Make those signals work for you, not against you. Put the book on your pillow. Keep the healthy food at eye level. Move the distractions out of reach. You don't need more willpower, you need fewer obstacles. Your environment shapes your behavior more than your motivation ever will. Build the space that builds the habit. Step 3: anchor to identity, not outcomes. Goals give you a destination. Identity gives you a direction. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I am someone who moves their body. Instead of I want to save money, say, I am someone who spends with intention. Every small action you take either confirms or contradicts that identity. And when the actions compound, the identity becomes real. Discipline isn't something you either have or you don't. It's something you build one small, intentional decision at a time. Shrink the start. Design your environment. Anchor to who you're becoming. Do that consistently, and the version of you that shows up every day stops being an effort. It becomes just who you are. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos on developing yourself.